Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you are fine. In this lecture I will solve exercise number 4.6, question number 4, that is most important for paper's point of view. So let's start. Insert 4 geometric means between 160 and 5. Let G1, G2, G3, G4 be the 4 geometric means between 160 and 5, that is 160 first term, second term G1, third term G2, fourth term G3, fifth term G5. Here A1 is equal to 160 and A6 is equal to 5. A6 can also be written in geometric sequence, that is A1 or power 5 is equal to 5. So value of A1 is equal to 160, or power 5 is equal to 5, dividing by 160 on both sides. So 5 divided by 100. So 5 1 time 5, 32 times 160. So R5 is equal to 1 divided by 32. So 1 power 5 is equal to 1. 32 is the power 2 power 5 is equal to 32. So 1 divided by 2 whole power 5 can also be written this one, taking fifth root on both sides. R power 5 whole power 1 divided 5 is equal to 1 divided 2 power 5 whole power 1 divided 5. 5 I cancel. So R is equal to 1 divided 2. A1 A2 is equal to G2. So A2 can also be written in geometric sequence, that is A1 R is equal to G. So value of A1 is 160 and value of R is equal to G. 1 over 2 is equal to G1. 280 times 160 is equal to G1. So G1 is equal to 80. Next, third term A3 is equal to G2. A3 can also be written in geometric sequence, A1 R square is equal to G2. So value of A1 is 160, value of R is 1 divided by 2 whole square equal to G2. So 160 into value of 1 divided by 2 whole square can also be written in the form of 1 divided by 4. 40 times 160 equal to G2. So G2 is equal to 40. Next term A5 is equal to G3. A5 can also be written in geometric sequence, that is A1 or power 3 is equal to G3. So value of A1 is 160 into value of R is 1 divided by 2 whole power 3 is equal to G3. So 2 power 3 is equal to 8. 20 times 160 equal to G3. So value of G3 is equal to 20. Next fifth term A5 is equal to G4. A5 can also be written in geometric sequence, that is A1 or power 4 equal to G4. So value of A1 is 160 into value of R is 1 divided by 2 whole power 4 is equal to G4. 2 power 4 is equal to 16. So 16 10 times 160 equal to G4. So G4 is equal to 10. Which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah.